Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining in. Shirish here this side, and this video is about understanding trading probabilities, why understanding probabilities and thinking in terms of them is so important, and how one can benefit from it. This video is for those who are not able to get it right in trading and in general are new to trading. So if you are one of those, make sure to stick around with me in this video and I'll take care of the rest. Let's begin. Before we start the video and dive deep into understanding trading probabilities, let's take a moment to understand what does probability mean. Probability is simply how likely something is to happen. Whenever we are unsure about the outcome of the event, we can talk about it in terms of probabilities. Like for example, when you flip a coin, you're not sure whether it's going to land on heads or it's going to land on tails. The coin landing on heads, the probability is 50%. Similarly, it can land on tails and the similar probability is 50% because there are two outcomes and you do not know which one is going to prevail. We talk in terms of probabilities. Now this same thing applies to trading. Now when we talk about trading probabilities, it is not very much different than flipping a coin because there are two sides, buy or sell, and there are two sides, profit or loss. So these things are very similar and do not make much of a difference, except for a few things, like always exceptions are there, but we'll talk about that later on in the video. So when we talk about trading probabilities, let's say here you are with initiating a trade, and when you initiate a trade you do not know what the outcome is going to be. Like when you flip a coin, you do not know it's going to be heads or tails. Similarly, when you initiate a trade, I'm talking about specifically intraday or swing trades. I'm not talking about investments. We'll talk about that later. But when we are talking about trades, intraday or swing trades, you do not know either you're going to make money on this trade or you're going to lose money on this trade. So it's similar, like whether it's going to be heads or tails. So what is the probability? The probabilities when you initiate a trade are 50-50. So you can either lose money on this trade or you can make money on this trade. Now in the last video, I talked about trends, the short-term trends, the long-term trends, and why understanding and studying trends is so important. Because once you understand the trend and once you start trading with the trend, you increase the chances of probabilities working in your favor, and that is so important. I'll give you an example. Let's say this is this one person who has no idea about what the trends are, what the markets are doing, and is punching some random trades, X, Y, Z, random trades, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Then you know about trends, you know about the long-term trend, you know how the markets are behaving in the short-term trends, and you are acting accordingly. Now answer me, who has more chances of making money? This guy or you? You, right? Why? Because although there is probabilities and all these things involved, market does not really like go up or down in a single stroke, right? We have always seen market correct out weaker hands before actually showing up the real move it wants to go, and that is the real reason why I said in the start of the video, in the beginning of the video, that probabilities is okay, but there are some exceptions. Trading probabilities are although similar to what I said, like flipping a coin, like buy, sell, heads, tail, but there are exceptions. And what the exceptions are, this is where the exceptions kick in. What are the exceptions? If the markets would have gone straight up or down, then it would have been like buy or sell, heads or tails. But what does the market do? Markets never go up or down in a straight line. They always correct out the weak hands. They always take out the weak hands, and that is why understanding probabilities and working with trends is so important. Now let's dive deep into understanding trading probabilities. Now first thing you need to understand is you need to think in terms of probabilities. Now what is that? Thinking in terms of probabilities means thinking on a larger scale, on a bigger scale, on a collectible number instead of one. Let me give you an example. Like I am punching this one trade today. What will be the first thing that is going to run in my mind according to you? If you are a beginner, if you are amateur trader, you will think this, whether he is going to lose money on this trade or he is going to make money on this trade, right? Now that is the thing which bothers us, and that is the thing which does not let our psychology settle. And that is why we need to remove this thing out of the equation. We remove the money out of the equation. Whether I am going to lose or make money does not matter. All I have to do is follow my setup. If I am following my setup, the money will follow. But am I following my setup is so important. And now that thing needs to be done on a collective number of trades. Like what is going to happen in next 100 trades. I do not have to know what is going to happen in next 5 trades, because it might happen that I continuously lose on my next 5 trades, and that is important because that is what trading probabilities is. Out of next 10 trades, although your setup is like 60% accurate and all, it might not give you 60% accuracy right away. It can do like 7 trades wrong in single streak and then give you 15 streaks of winning trades. So that is important, that you have to understand this thing, that trading probabilities does not work like heads or tails. That this is where the exceptions kick in. Thinking on a collective number of trades is so important. What is going to happen in next 100 trades, or what is going to happen in my next 200 trades, and taking the money out of the equation is probably the single biggest thing you can do today to understand trading and to make it big in trading. Because when you put the money in, I'm going to make money on this trade or I'm going to lose money on this trade, it disturbs your psychology, right? So all you have to do is follow your setup and not focus on next 1, 5 or 10 trades or even 20 trades. What you have to do is instead think how my next 100 trades are going to be. Now when you think of next 100 trades, what happens is, yeah, you can have a streak of, let's say, 10 losing trades, and that is okay, because when you think of next 100 trades, a losing streak of 10 trades does not matter, because you know your setup is good, you're doing the right thing. After this 10th losing trade, you might have a winning streak of, let's say, 20 trades. So it does not really work like maths, like exactly like maths, right? It goes up and down, up and down, up and down, and that is why thinking in terms of bigger scale, a collective number of trades is so very important. And this is where the deep area lies, that the actual trading probability lies. So what are going to be your key takeaways from this video? The first thing is, take the money out of the equation. Okay, it stabilizes your psychology. Take the money out of the equation. And then second, work with the trends. When you understand trends, you increase the chances of probabilities working in your favor. So work with the trends. And third, the most important, think in a collective number of trades. Do not think what's going to happen in next 5, 10 or 15 or even 20 trades. You have to think how my month is going to be, or how my next 6 months are going to be when you're trading. So think in a collective number of trades, how my next 200 trades are going to be, and then follow your setup with all your laser precision and what you can do. So that is the main intention of me making this video, to explain you how trading probabilities work. And if you have understand something, if you have taken out something of this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll keep coming with more videos like this, and I'll see you around. Stay tuned. Peace.